What is Windows XP? Windows XP is designed by Microsoft Corporation to use on general-purpose computer systems, such as business desktops, home usage, notebooks and media centers. It allows you to use word processing applications, and it is easy to use. Advantages of Windows XP. Microsoft Windows XP uses very few computer resources. It is very efficient, and common applications run more smoothly on Windows XP than on Windows 7. It was developed to improve on the faults and inconsistencies in the ME system, but it is a completely new operating system. Microsoft Windows XP can protect your email address more securely, which helps to avoid spammers from getting your email address. It has a security system that can be used to protect specific folders. Microsoft Windows XP helps in downloads. Before downloading an attachment, you will be alerted to unsafe attachments that might contain harmful viruses, which are specifically applicable to those using Internet Explorer, Windows Messenger, and Outlook Express. Disadvantages of Windows XP. Windows XP is expensive. It can't be installed onto multiple computers because it has a single user license. It is prone to crashing, therefore, making it unstable, and it can't be run on old hardware. It would appeal to most businesses and users that need an easier operating system to control. Windows XP features support only up to 4 GB of system memory. When you want to run applications that require a lot of system memory to function properly, when you want to install additional RAM, you will purchase Windows XP Professional x64, which supports up to 128 GB of RAM, or you will upgrade to a newer operating system such as Windows Vista or Windows 7. Microsoft Windows XP is a prime target for malware creators. When you surf the internet without antivirus software, it cannot be installed on multiple computers as the product activation is limited to just one computer, and it is unsafe for critical applications such as online banking. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.